If you're wondering if Paperbell will actually help you simplify your coaching business or if it'll just become another tool that you have to manage, this video will help you decide before you waste your time setting it up. And be sure to stay till the end because I have a special gift for you. So let's start with what Paperbell even is, because obviously you need to know what it's capable of before you can decide if it's the right fit for your business. Paperbell is an all-in-one tool that handles scheduling, payments, contract signing, and client management. And recently, they also started offering a website feature. And FYI, I do plan to do a video about that in the future. But regardless of the website, another great feature that they have is the Paperbell Shop feature. This is where all of the offers that you've created inside of Paperbell will be displayed as a digital storefront. So potential clients can come to your shop page and buy your offers. So when you're using Paperbell, it reduces the number of tools you need because now you have one tool that's going to automate your scheduling, meaning clients or leads can book discovery calls or coaching sessions with you, and they'll automatically be sent either a Zoom link or Google Meet link, along with reminders that their upcoming call with you is scheduled. It also means that you no longer have to manually send contracts to be signed because within Paperbell, they have an electronic contract signer so that when your client is in the checkout process, they will automatically be prompted to sign it. And you're no longer going to have to send invoices because credit card payments are automatically set up within the onboarding process, as long as you're connected to either Stripe or PayPal. Now, the reason that Paperbell is different from other tools that you may have considered like Dubsado or Kajabi or Honeybook is that it was specifically made with coaches in mind. So the way you will know if Paperbell is the perfect fit for your business is if you're offering one-on-one coaching and or group coaching. Paperbell was not designed for freelancers like designers or developers. And that's because those type of service providers tend to have to create custom packages each time they work with a client. So if you're someone like a photographer or wedding planner, this is just not going to work for you because again, it was mainly designed for one-on-one and or group coaching. Right now, the price of Paperbell is $57 per month or $570 for the year. And that's where you'll get 2 months free. But if you just want to test it out first, you can use my link in the description of this video to get started with your first client for free. Now, for the free gift that I was talking about earlier, I created the Stop Overthinking Tech Roadmap for Coaches, which goes over the 7 essential systems that you need to grow and scale your coaching business. So if tech has been something that has been like a thorn in your side and you just don't know how to start automating or what you even should automate in your business, this roadmap is for you. And it also comes with a free 7-day email mini course that dives into those 7 systems so that you can get started without any overwhelm. Just use the link in the description to go ahead and get that downloaded. And you'll also want to check out one of my recent videos where I talked about the 7 types of packages, aka offers that you can create inside of Paperbell. So I mentioned in this video that you can do one-on-one coaching as well as group coaching, but there are ways to create digital product offers as well as course offers and things like a live workshop if that's something that you want to get started with in your business. So go ahead and check that out. And if you have any questions about Paperbell, be sure to leave them in the comments of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.